Well, you can see how this action over the last couple of days. This is a 30-minute chart. Now, the reason why I choose to look at 30-minute charts instead of other time frames when it comes to cryptos is because I'm holding long term. Hello, everybody. I hope every single one of you is having a profitable day. Although, for many of you and us, including myself, we have probably seen our crypto portfolios roll over in the last 2 days, maybe 3 days, or even more than that, rolling over to decrease in a significant way. Now, you can see here the spider, right? This is a S&P 500 ETF. This is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Today, the stock market fell around 850 points at some time of the day, then to have a little bit of a bounce to close around 600 and change of a drop. We have seen the market drop in a very hard way. This is in regards to some news of China's Evergrande, or whichever way it's pronounced. I'm not 100% sure. Seems like the company or the system. I'm not entirely familiar with everything, so don't quote me on that, please. But it seems like the whole thing is about to implode, or it's about to default. They're having a real estate crisis. So we have seen the European markets, Asian markets, and also the American stock market just going down the drain today. And so this, although is not the approach that I take trading equities as I normally do every day, I have a totally different approach when it comes to trading cryptos, right? So for me, this represents a big opportunity, although again, many of you do know that I like to short stocks when I see an opportunity. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm biased and I try to short everything. I also like to take long trades, obviously, but again, today was a great opportunity for a lot of short trades. But what I'm trying to bring you here is a video about an opportunity that I see personally. I'm not trying to convey a message to make you change your mind or do something that you're not willing to do. I just want to show you the reason why the markets with an S are rolling over, including equities in US. The whole thing is going down the drain, although it's already during the extended hour sessions. It's past 7 p.m. It's around 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 to be more specific when I'm recording this video. And by the time you probably see this video, it's going to be the following day. But here's something that I want to show you in regards to an opportunity for me when it comes down to cryptos. Here's a chart, Bitcoin chart powered by TradingView, which is a free platform, really. Although I'm not recommending it to nobody, I'm just using it for video purposes only. But you can see how this action over the last couple of days. This is a 30-minute chart. Now, the reason why I choose to look at 30-minute charts instead of other time frames when it comes to cryptos is because I'm holding long term. I wrote an article about this stuff and how I started my journey on cryptos not too long ago. It's on the website and on tradesconley.com. But here's an opportunity for me particularly. Let's just go back and take a look at Doge, right? And Bitcoin, Doge, Lumens, ADA, Cardanos. You can see how we printing a little bit of a base here, right? down this area, right? And now it seems like we are rebounding a little bit. Now, today, although a lot of people were complaining about the fact that the markets were rolling over really hard with a very hard rejection, welcome to global economy, because of news in China and everything that's happening. Now, China also has a crackdown when crypto mining is involved. So I'm not gonna roll that out, but this is my personal opinion about it. Now, we saw the Evergrande issue taking over the whole market, right? The crypto market, whole stock market, European markets, Asian markets, and American markets. Now, when it comes to the downtrend and this flush, washout, this massive plunge on this market, for me, as I take these actions, these opportunities, it's like having the analogy of going to the store and buying things that I like on sale. Like, for example, you like any type of maybe Nikes or whatever. I don't know what country you live in. You're watching this video here in the US. It's a store that you probably heard about or probably not. Macy's, Nordstrom, there's a lot of stores, right? And your favorite store has a brand. They sell maybe different brand names in the store. And you see a shoe, pants, a shirt that you know that the price is $100, and now they have it on 60% off or 50% off, and you say, wow, I can buy 2 shirts, 2 shoes, 2 pants with the price that I will normally spend just to buy one. So again, I'm not recommending that you do this, because this is a highly speculative thing, right? So only invest, quote unquote, the money that you're willing to lose. Now, the way that I see it is I buying the tokens, I'm buying the coins, I'm owning the coins as if I was selling mirrors in a store. The mirrors that I'm selling are probably a little cheaper now, but I am not losing the mirrors. I am still owning the same amount of mirrors that I can sell later on for a higher price. So I still own the item. I still own the item. So what I'm doing here is actually backing up the truck and loading the truck on a cheaper price, on a discount. I was upset a couple of days ago when I was buying Lumens. I was buying 8 Cardanos, Solanas, and even Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the price was going up and up, and I felt like I was actually chasing the price of those coins, right? And I felt like I wanted to stop, and I stopped buying stuff for about 2 weeks and a half. And now today, when I see this stuff, I was talking to my wife last night while we were, getting ready to go to sleep, and I see everything going down the drain. I said, this is a great opportunity, because it's like finding a brand name that you like, that you know has value, and going online and finding that they are selling the product that you love or that you like to use and that you find value. They selling it at a 50% discount. And you can buy 4 for the price of 2. You can buy more. You can stack up and still own the same item, spending less amount of money. So for me, instead of looking at this as a huge problem, I like to look at it as a opportunity for me to stack up in things that I like and that will most definitely give me something that I have value on, right? I'm gonna still use it, and I'm gonna own it for less price, for a cheaper, on a discount, right? So I do this thing all the time. I like Hass avocados. I like a lot. I'm an avocado junkie. I like guacamoles. I like to eat it with toast bread, whatever, avocado toast, whatever. I like to buy them when I have on sale. It is like $2.50 a pop. Sometimes they have it like $3 for $2, so 67 cents a pop, something like that. Sometimes it's $2 for $1. So I stack up. I buy 10. I buy 12. I sometimes buy so much that some of them just go bad. But when I see the stuff on sale, I just grab. So it's the same concept as this. And I didn't want to chase these things as the price was going up. The reason why I choose not to do that is because if I have a farm and my horse escaped, I'm not going to chase the horse while the horse is actually running quick. I will wait for the horse to get tired, go to a lake, a creek or something, and try to drink water, stop, slow down, and I will grab it right there. So this is the same concept like this. I'm not going to try to chase it while it's going up. Just going to wait for it to roll over as it did yesterday and today, and I'm going to try to buy on a real big discount. So for me, more than complaining about this big drop, for me it's more than an opportunity to buy cheap, because I believe in the coins and the tokens that I'm holding. Some of them not just because it's an investment, kind of speculative, but because some of them, like lumens, I actually use them for transactions, international transactions, and I don't have to pay the wire transfer fees and wait for it to clear and all that kind of stuff. So as I see value, and I think that at the end will definitely bring value to other people, as in the same way as AMPs, I own those things too, because I see the value, because it's a security thing that they use to provide some sort of security, guarantee the funds while it clears at the background, let's just say for the couple of days for transaction to clear on accounts, right? And they provide opportunities for you to get the funds early and not having to wait for the funds actually to clear 3 days for clearing the funds in your account. So I see a lot of coins like compound. There's a lot of different uses for different coins, and so the coins that I actually own, I see it as things that have a special use, and buying them on a discount, it is actually a pretty decent thing to do. So I wanted to bring you this message. I see the markets rolling over. For me, long term, it's more opportunity on the crypto markets than anything else, and I am not really freaking out on this thing, more than looking for that price entry on a lower point. It's a different approach as when it comes to trading equities, but this is the way I see things when it comes down to crypto. I hope you have a great day and you continue to be profitable, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you did like the message here, there's an invitation link on the description of this video for the Discord, where we actually discuss futures, equities, options, cryptos, and different investment vehicles, as well as you're gonna find an invitation link in the description of this video for the Reddit Traders Connolly community. All free, you don't have to worry about it, no questions asked. Just come, join, and share ideas with us if you would like to do that. I will see you next time. I hope you have a great day and you stay green. Happy trading, you all.